So you want to create a simple logo for your YouTube channel or maybe for a page, but you don't just know where to begin. That's very simple. Now I'm going to introduce you to Canva, a platform which allows you to create a logo in a very short time, then 3-4 minutes in that case. So what I'll do is I'll visit my Google Chrome page and I'll type in that section Canva. Then let Canva open. So if you look at this Canva homepage, I have a lot of things here. I have my designs and all these sub menus and sub menus on the left hand side. So creating a logo is very simple, but then before that you must create an account with the Canva. So if you haven't created an account, you just click on this section here, then you create an account. But in my case, I already have an account, so I don't have to create that again. So what I'll do is I already know what I want to create, so I'll go in the search section to click on logo. I'll type that logo. Then once I have typed that, I have a number of options here. I have a plain logo, then I have a soccer logo, t-shirt, animated. So I'll choose any of these. If I want to create a logo with an already created template or something, I'll just choose let's say logo t-shirt for instance. Then the template will load and then I'll have to choose one of them. So you can see from this I have many templates here. I can scroll down to the top of the bottom and then I will choose the kind of logo that I would love to use. So there is quite a number, so let's see which one I can go with. I'll try which one do I take? Let's say I want this, so I'll click on that and then the template will appear on my page. Now one thing you should note is that some of these logos are on the premium version. I mean, you cannot use the images from this free version, so you have to maybe change a few of your images or just delete them and use your own. So once this logo opens here, I have the option to edit it. So I can edit this logo, I can edit the text, I can edit this, I can maybe even add an image if I wish to. I can do all that. So if I want to edit text, I'll just click on the text section and double click it and then edit it. If I intend to delete that, then I'll type anything that I want. So if I wanted a shirt logo, I'll just type shirts or something, and then I'll say center or something, just anything that you wish to type in that section. So it's upon you to edit this and to your preferred text or anything. So if I want to, let's say, add an image, I'll go to either uploads where I'm allowed to add my own image uploaded from my device. So if I want to add like this image here, I'll add it and put it in that position or something. But if I don't have good images that relate to what I'm intending to make, I'll just go to the photo section. And here Canva provides you with quite a number of free images to use. So you scroll down and maybe select from the category that you want, or you can still search here. It depends on the kind of image that you want. You type shirts, and if it is a t-shirt, you just click on t-shirt, and then you have a t-shirt images there. So you ensure you use the free ones because the pro ones requires you to upgrade your Canva account so that you can use them. So if I click on this free image and put it there, and let's say resize it and try and put it somewhere there, then that's it. I just have made mine. So you can pick any image here as long as it is marked free, and then just click on it and drag it to your logo. If you want to make this image the background of your logo, you just right click on it and then say replace background, and then now you will have to change the color of this text here, and so that it becomes visible, because the sharp background is white and something. So you can make this a simple logo and use it for your channel or your any platform that you wish to use it on. Then once you're done creating your logo, you simply just click on the download button and select the format that you love. If you love a PNG file or a JPG file, so you just click on it and then choose it and then click on download, and then your file will easily download to the your storage. So that's how you create a simple logo using Canva. If you want to try yours, just go and create an account, follow the simple steps, and then create yourself a logo.